My name is Birgir. I'm the co-founder and managing director of Maxxipaws. We have used Odoo platform for several years to manage our back office and our business. Before we engaged with Anoop and Confianz, we explored other options and we decided to sign up and work with Confianz and his team. We did have several pain points before we joined Anoop and his team. One of them was long deliveries, which we have started to experience with our previous partner, and many projects that were overrun and over budget. This was starting to impact our overall capacity to properly manage our online business, which is critical to us. After joining Confianz and working closely with Anoop and his team, they are really good. The reason why we did that was because they have a very good project approach. Being a old project manager myself, recognized immediately how they efficiently work with their clients. We have weekly conference meeting with his team, and where we go through the progress of each project. Their team will also show us the progress to date, demonstrate what they have developed, which means that anything that may have to be captured early on in a project is done so. So overall it's a very agile and effective way of working. I must say I'm extremely pleased with Confianz, and you can be in good hands if you join them.